Alright, we're going to do Baby Lion's Back. It's a fun one. Looking at the sky most of the time, or the ground. See just the outline of the hood there. Blustery today. A little windy. Baby Lion's Back is just a quick one. Not very long at all. Even though we've been through all the other trails. Just haven't played on this one yet this trip, so thought it would be fun. I personally like this. I honestly like the slow and technical stuff the most. So, hearing people probably over on Hell's Revenge on the CB there. It's where you hear them the most. For some reason, I hear them out of Hell's Revenge a lot. But on the other trails, I don't think I really ever heard anybody else, except for when you're out on the journey. Suspension on the front right squeaking for some reason. It's all new, but go from looking at the sky to looking at the ground. It's such an interesting feeling to pretty much be standing in your vehicle and laying down at the same time. Almost perfectly straight. And that is Baby Lion's Back. Pretty easy one. A good one to dip your toes into. To kind of understand what you're going to be getting into Hell's Revenge and other areas. Definitely a fun one though. Yeah, have a good one.